Welcome to Lush Banners, where big ideas become bold displays. Whether it's your first order or your 50th, we've made our process fast, smooth, and stress-free. Let's walk through what happens after you click Place Order. Step 1. Order placed. You've taken the leap. Your custom project is officially in motion. Right now, our team is preparing to bring your vision to life. Sit tight. Your journey through professional printing has begun. Step 2. Art review and design. In the next 1 to 2 business days, our skilled designers review your artwork. Whether you uploaded your own design or used our free design studio, we make sure every detail is print quality. No stretched logos, no fuzzy edges. Think of us as your creative safety net. Step 3. Proof sent. Now you have entered Step 3, which indicates that a detailed digital proof has been sent for review on the My Orders page of your account, and you will receive an email when your proof is ready for review. Upon receiving your email letting you know your proof is ready, you can access it by clicking on the link within the email. You can also review your proof by logging into your account on lushbanners.com, navigating to the My Orders page, and clicking on the yellow Review Your Proof button. Need changes? Just let us know, using the tools available in the visual proof window when viewing your proof. Ready to go? Just click Approve and your order heads straight to production. Step 4. In production. Now that we have your approval, we have finally reached the point where all of the magic happens. Your display is crafted with high-quality materials and expert precision, on machines built for bold, brilliant printing. Production time usually takes 1 to 15 business days, depending on the size of your order, as well as the products that have been chosen. Plus, you can log in at any time to check the current status of your order. Step 5. Order shipped. Once everything's printed and quality checked, we ship it straight to you. Shipping usually takes 1 to 10 business days, depending on the shipping method chosen at checkout, and we'll send you tracking info so you can follow your order closely. Step 6. Order received. Congratulations, your order has landed. If you ordered multiple items, they might arrive separately with hardware and graphics in separate shipments. But don't worry, everything's on its way. Thanks for choosing Lush Banners. Need help? Feel free to explore the help links in this graphic, and if you still have questions, our team's always just a click or call away. From simple banners to show-stopping trade show displays, we've helped over 30,000 businesses make an impact. And now, it's your turn. Let's build something bold. Together.